Gamescom has returned to Cologne in 2022 as a proper show. Just look at the crowds at one of these 4 entrance gates. Some aspects of Gamescom feel a little like a Disney theme park with enormous queues for games that are in high demand. This is understandable, but you have to admire the patience of the audience. And then we get the more Germanic aspect of Gamescom. Just look at the popularity of this farming sim and listen to the enthusiasm of the crowd. Making your way from hall to hall around Gamescom requires a considerable amount of walking. Leo got his steps in over the past few days, and as you're walking through Gamescom, you'll see a great many sights, some of which are utterly inexplicable. Is this a character from a game? What's going on here? I don't understand, and frankly, I'm slightly scared. PC hardware is thin on the ground at Gamescom, and new PC hardware is even thinner on the ground. This crowd gathered at the WD Black booth is watching a game streamer playing away. All the hardware they had on show is well known to us, but the crowd certainly seemed to enjoy what they were watching. You may well have seen KitGuru's video from the Asus booth where we got Roman der Bauer Hartung to talk about the new products, and now it's time to head to Samsung. They have the latest versions of their flexible phones on show and also some enormous monitors, but we were here for the new SSD, the 990 Pro. Sadly, it's Gen 4 rather than Gen 5, but we'll dig into this in depth in a review coming in the next few weeks. As we headed for our next destination, which involved a considerable amount more walking, we passed the unexpected UK industry stand. Hurrah for us Brits! But couldn't we put on a slightly better show? And then it was time to head to Corsair to see their brand new Xeneon Flex prototype monitor. This is an LG OLED screen that you can fold. We've already done a news piece on this based purely on the press release from Corsair. The big news is, look at those handles at the sides. And now Stefan from Corsair Germany is going to flex the Flex. It creaks only slightly. Do that one more time. Let's see whether it bounces back. Oh, listen to that noise. Yeah, okay. And that is an R800 radius. Okay, and now we're going to go for the above shot. So this gets us over the conundrum of, do you like your screen flat, curved, or a bit curved? Of course, you can go, oh, there are the hinges. I'm going to go around the back, and Stefan's going to flex it one more time while we look at the back. Oh, the noise!
Yeah, it's prototype. So the mechanism is prototype.
Yeah.
But the screen is final. And if you would break something, you would break the mechanism because the screen is developed to roll it.
Oh, okay.
The G presentation 4 years ago at IFA in Germany.
Okay.
They had a screen you can roll it.
So it's a fully rollable screen. It's just in that frame, so it goes as far as it. Right. Okay. That's bizarre. Makes sense. Aspect ratio is 21:9. It's not 4K, but we are majoring on the 240 hertz refresh rate, which is in the press release already covered. So we're going up to 1000 nits of brightness, and that's with HDR. So fairly bright by any standards, and for PC gaming, what's the most exciting thing? I know I've been told by Corsair, that Flex is unique without a shadow of a doubt. 21:9 aspect ratio, 3 milliseconds grey to grey, and you won't be shocked to learn, as we covered in the news piece, that price and availability will be announced later this year. This is KitGuru signing off from Gamescom 2022 in Cologne with a taste of reviews you'll be seeing in the very near future from Asus, Samsung and Corsair.